Calabarzon, a name that rolls off the tongue like a single place, but in truth, it's a family of 5 powerhouse provinces: Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Together, they formed not just a region, but a vital artery in the lifeblood of our nation. Think about it. Cavite and Laguna host sprawling industrial parks where multinational companies build the products we use every day. Batangas, home to international ports, refineries, and power plants, fuels both our economy and our cities. Rizal, sitting at the doorstep of Metro Manila, is where commerce and residential expansion meet. And Quezon, the gateway to Bicol, sustains us with agriculture, energy, and rich cultural heritage. Calabarzon is not just geography, it is productivity. It has consistently ranked among the top contributors to the Philippine GDP, accounting for nearly 15% of the nation's output. In fact, it often surpasses even the national capital region in manufacturing share as factories, ports, and services rise, where fertile land and strategic highways converge. But beyond numbers, its importance is this: Calabarzon balances the country. It absorbs Metro Manila's overflow, houses millions of workers, and anchors investments that keep us globally competitive. It is the industrial heartland, the agricultural basket, and the cultural bridge rolled into one. So when we speak of the Philippines moving forward, we cannot overlook Calabarzon, for without this region, its ports, its factories, its farmlands, and its people, our nation's growth would slow, our economy would stumble, and our dream of true development would remain unfinished. Now you know.